Very good morning to everyone. I hope you guys are very happy with this learning sessions because your lowercase ABCDs have been completed. So now today we will be starting with words. How we will be forming the words. The connectivity of those letters is very much important in calligraphy because the connection of two letters is very important. If you will not connect it properly, it will not at all look beautiful. Okay, so today's lecture is very much important, and yeah, I'll just show you the connectivity, but you need to keep on practicing with other words also, and I need your practice sheets. Okay, the more the beautiful, the more the creative you have to make it. Okay, and one more thing, see, you can use your sketch pens, you can use your glitter pens and whatever you feel like, and you can just explore yourself in this calligraphy. Okay, but the thing is that the thick and the thin line should be carried on. Rest all you can use anything and make your own creativity. So let's start with the today's session, connectivity. Okay, now how the words, how the letters are going to be connected, we'll see that. Okay, now I'll be writing I'm going to write hello in different ways, and I'll show you the connectivity about it. Okay, I'm writing H. Okay, see, I'm just taking the two loops for L. Okay, and then O. This needed to be doubled. Okay, just like you're writing your cursive writing the same way, but here it should be a doubling part and a coloring part. Okay, that's the only difference over here. Okay, see the connectivity, how the letters are being connected, H and E. Okay, uh, L, O, how they are connected, that is the important thing. Okay, now this is the one style of writing. I'll show you the another connectivity also. See, I'm writing it big, but you can write it in two lines. Okay, I'm writing it in four lines because this will be more clear to you because you're into a video. If I'll just prepare a small one, then it will be difficult for you to have a look. Okay, so now the another connectivity, I'll show you the another connectivity of the same word. Okay, so this is my H, a slanting line. Okay, E, L, L and O. Okay, so this will be doubled. And the connections over here. Okay, and double line. Do don't forget to double it, because if you don't double it and you don't color it, it will not be calligraphy. Okay, because calligraphy consists of thin and thick strokes, so both the things should be added. Okay, okay, so you can see the difference over here, the word hello and their connectivity. See the how this is connected and how this is connected. Okay, now it is totally up to you that which connectivity you want to use, which one you find easier, that you can use. See, this one looks more like a cursive, this is a bit a print form, so the both are calligraphy, but the connectivity, the letters which are been connected is different. So this is the main thing of today's session, that how the letters are been connected. Okay, see the difference, how it has been connected and how it will reflect. Okay, the way you will connect the letters, the way it will look. Okay, so see, both are correct. You can go whatever you find easy. Okay, I'll show you once again with the two lines. Okay, once again with just two lines. Okay, so you'll come to know how does it look. I'm just taking two lines. Okay, H E L and O. Okay, so you can see, have a look, when the words are smaller, how does it look. Even see, this looks so beautiful. So I wrote it in 4 lines because it will be more clear to you. Okay, but you go for just 2 lines, it is totally up to you. See how beautiful does it looks. So today what you need to do is, you need to write this two connectivities. Okay, ये तो आपको करना ही है. Okay, but along with this you need to practice one word on your own. Okay, take any word. Okay, you can take your name. Okay, write your name using this technique, using this connectivity. Okay, and send your pictures. Okay, I told you, you can use your sketch pens, glitter pens, and you can use your creativity and make it beautiful as much as you can. Okay, so that will be putting in the group so that everyone can have a look for it. Okay, the best one will be put it in the group. I think so it will be very nice, because everyone will come to know that what you have done, how beautifully you have done. So today you need to practice this to connectivity, what I have been taught. Along with this, you need to write your name with using this connectivity, and make it creative as much as you can. Okay, so I hope you learned and as well as you enjoyed my sessions. Bye bye, take care.